doings? Welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLB, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. Girl, it's just this hoe. Oh my God, today's video, we're gonna answer the age-old question. Why men great till they gotta be great? No, we don't have that kind of time, girl. I'm just kidding. Today is actually about, woo, this fashion file unboxing. Get into it, girl. Get into it. Okay. It's a small package, which don't mean much for me, because you know, I dig tiny. You know this, but girl, this is, if you didn't already see from when you clicked, Cartier. I know, I'm super duper excited. Okay, I had this on reserve. I'm just going to unbox it. Yeah. Like I've never been here. What? So I'm doing from the bottom because my address label and everything is on the top. So today, yeah, see, it's the bottom. She's the bottom today, girl. She's no top. Ask me no questions. I'll tell you no lies. Okay, you ready? Ambitious, you ready? You get all your accoutrement. You know Fashion Files whole shtick. All right, here it is. It's upside down and everything. Oh, Cartier, come through, girl, come through. I was going to buy this piece from Cartier, and I'll tell you more about that later, but I'd already picked it out. I wanted to have it engraved, yada, 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 because the pricing on what I got is just right at, or maybe $100 now, like $200-300 more than what I could pay for it on Fashion File, and I just said I don't want to pay anymore. So I found this as a really good deal. It had been clearance, and then I got it on one of their little promo events. I think they had that 10%. I can't remember what it was, but it was like all these items are 30% off plus whatever. So I went through the list, and then I was like, whoa, my size? Beesh, it's meant to be. So I put it on layaway a couple months ago, because y'all know I take the whole, 60 days. Yes, I do, girl. Yes, I do. Okay. So it's, all right. Okay. Come through, Cartier. How many times is she going to say that today? About 5. So for some reason, they gave me this odd shape. Guys, y'all don't, seriously, nope. She did not need that. I don't know how Cartier comes in. Do they get dust bags? I don't even know why this is a thing. But look at this, guys. It's got a little diploma. Yeah, it's graduated to like a fancy thing. Here's my certificate of authenticity. I don't think this item has been worn. It said it was giftable. But, well, maybe it said it was excellent. God, I can't remember things. And prep. She needs to prep. So it's got their little sticker on here, and there was another, I don't know if that was a retail sticker or what. Oh, the whole experience. I didn't get to unwrap it from the fancy paper and the wax stamp, which kind of, I low-key really wanted to do that, okay? You guys can tell I've been hanging out with my 14-year-old because I've adopted her speech patterns and the way that, the lingo that, you know, I'm sort of picking up on some things. But check it out. It comes with this little red box, of course. Bing. What is she? Girl, she's the love ring. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, she is the love ring. And, okay. This little thing swivels around. Okay, I've never had Cartier, girl. I've never had anything Cartier. I thought I would wear like a corresponding deep red shirt. What do you think? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I always want to go to the, I'm so old. Okay, so here we go. Check her out. What? Okay, this is why I think, is this, no, this is the Fashion File thing. Yeah, if you cut that off, it's yours. But I was thinking, like, is it Cartier? I guess it was excellent, not giftable, but I don't care. So I think it's gorgeous. It's 18 karat gold. It is size huge because I have, oh wow, I have really big fingers, but this actually fits perfectly. Girl, I'm so excited. It's meant to be. Oh, yes. Okay, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to take off this sticker because I want to keep her. Where's my handy dandy? Who knows? Okay, maybe, okay, I've got scissors over here. Hold, please. And now she's singing Barry Manilow because of Her Name is Love Ring Cabana. Look at it. Oh my God. Look at my sausage fingers. Yes! I figure if I'm going to have sausage fingers, put a nice ring on it. Yeah. Okay, girl. Here's the story. Here's the story. Everything's a song, for one. Okay, let's look at this first. It's got a little diploma certificate thing. Like a little bit. I've watched other people unbox these. That's how obsessed I was. But look how... Okay. Yes. You have graduated from the Cartier School of Love. Actually, it says that this... Okay, here's a little stamp. It says it came from Rodeo Drive. Oh, somebody fancy wore this ring before me. Yeah, some of that luck rub off. I guess if they were so lucky, they wouldn't have sold it back to Fashion File for a little, I don't know. Maybe it's an ex-boyfriend that gifted or a girlfriend and they're like, no. Okay. I've been watching too much Rich Lux today. Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills, August 5th, 2021 was the date of the purchase of this ring. So I feel good about that. I'm so friggin' excited. This is amazing. So, I usually wear this this is one of those rings that were gifted to me from Ana Luisa. And I like it, but I've always wanted a love ring. I really would love to have a couple. I think Yota sports a couple of bands, like a silver and a gold. And I used to just be a gold gal. But now she's switched over. I switched over for a few years to silver or, you know, white gold or whatever. And now I'm kind of like, let's mix it up. Let's mix it up, okay? I want to tell you that years ago, and I brought it in here to show you. Years ago, Bill and I, we got bumped up to first class on a flight. They never do that now, so those days are over. And then after that flight, I sort of got bougie about it and was like, well, let's fly first class again. So I, you know, shelled out too much money, which I will never do again because she doesn't have that kind of disposable income. I got bags to buy, honey. I can't be, you know what I mean? So I went ahead and I sprung for, and by sprung, she means she put it on a credit card, first class tickets again, and this time we were going to Vegas. I'm sure that was where we were going the first, but anyway, we decided we loved the first class, I did, and I just went crazy and spent an obscene amount of money on first class tickets back then. So while we were sitting in first class, I picked up one of the flight magazines and was looking through it and found this really nice jewelry called Hidalgo. I don't know if you guys remember Hidalgo or if you know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. But I had a fit for a ring for Bill to buy me. It's, I think it's platinum. But it could also be 18 karat white gold. I can't remember. But I know this ring cost so much money. And I have it up for sale. I've had it on many different selling sites trying to sell it. It's just, I don't think it's relevant anymore. This was back in 2007. It's been that long ago. And I just had a fit for this ring when we got home. And it was almost, at that time, I think it was $2,500 with tax. It was ran almost, you know, $2,800. And Bill really, you know, splurged and bought me this ring. And guess what, guys? Look, how cool is this little box I bought from eBay? But I want to show you guys this ring that I told Bill when I put it up for sale last year. I said, I want to sell this ring because I can't wear it. And I'm going to buy, you know, a love ring, a Cartier love ring. And he was like, yeah, cool. When this one came up for sale, I still didn't sell this one, but I had credit at Fashion File, and I was like, yeah, I can put it on reserve. So that's what I did, girl. And then I sent another, anyway, I had enough to finally get it out. I got it out. I think this was in the neighborhood of like $9.50 after all was said and done. So I got a pretty good deal on it. But this ring, for what it, look at it, look how pretty it is. I don't know if y'all can see it. But it is a pave diamond ring set with enamel floating hearts, okay? And I don't know if it's white gold or platinum, I can't remember, but it was very, very expensive back in 2007. So anyway, I tried to wear this many times. When I wear it, I don't know if it's the metal or just where my finger swells. I don't know what happens, but when I try to wear it for any length of time, when I take it off, it looks like I have been completely burned, like with a curling iron or something. I mean, it literally burns the crap out of my finger, like someone has burned me. So I never, you know, it fits and everything. It fits fine. It's not too big. It's not too loose or anything. And it looks great. I mean, I think it's a beautiful ring, but I can't wear it. I just can't wear it. And if I don't sell it, eventually you know what I'll do? I'll just gift it to one of my girls. Might as well. But it's a beautiful ring, but I just have never been able to wear it. And I had a fit. So the Hidalgo people were very big with stackable rings. So, you know, you could put rings. And I bought it because at the time I had a little diamond ring that was silver. I still have it somewhere. Who knows? But, and it went perfect with it, but I just couldn't wear it. I couldn't wear it. So anyway, I've always told Bill, which I told Bill, I need to sell that ring. I've been saying it for years, but I finally am like, why am I holding on to it? I mean, the girls don't care about it, and I could make enough money to just buy a Cartier love ring. But turns out nobody wants my Hidalgo ring, which is fine. It's fine. I did want to show you though. So yeah, back in the day, I think this would go well. Look, with this is my original. I don't know why I'm just going down memory lane with you guys, but this is my original what I got married in stone. This little heart ring. So on our 5th wedding anniversary, I want to say it's our 5th, Bill took this ring for me, which I knew he was doing something because I had wanted it on a thicker band. It was on a little skinny band. And he took it to a friend of ours who was a jeweler, and he bought this little, like heart set of diamonds and had him put it on a thicker band and then put that set of diamonds around it, which I thought was really, really cute and kind of popped it off, right? And then he, after like, I think our 10th or 15th year anniversary, this one's too tight. He bought me this little anniversary band, which I can't wear because I'm too fat. It must have been one of those times when I took Fin in the 90s because it's small. It's actually smaller than the other two, but this to say, I don't really have fancy per se jewelry. This idol jewelry is really like sort of fancy for me, even though, it's very affordable diamonds and gold. I just was very tickled when they gave it to me, and you can find a link down below, by the way, big plug for them. But anyway, I just, I don't know what I was saying. Oh, so the only actual fine jewelry, I guess, that I have, like real diamonds, I have a pair of diamond earrings that my dad bought me. I have a Rolex watch, which is too tight for my fat arm. I guess I could go to the jeweler, but I keep thinking like, oh, she's gonna get in it one day, but she loses all that weight. And then I have this nice anniversary band, my wedding band, this Hidalgo ring, which I cannot wear, and whatever. And that's it, girl. I mean, I have my grandma's pearls. And probably they're dime store pearls. I don't know. I've never had them checked out, but I don't know. She had them forever, and now I have them. But I don't really have fine jewelry, so I just thought, I think, and this is fine to me, even though, it's like $1,000. I love it, and it's a little loose. Ooh, girl, who is she? It must be cold in here, maybe. You know how it's cold, your hand shrinks down. Anyway, that's my jewelry journey story, guys, and my reveal of this cool-ass Cartier love band. I love it. If I ever sell that Hidalgo ring, maybe I'll go back in and get a silver one and be like Yota, because I want to be like Yota, of course. I idolize her. She knows this. Crazy. Anyhow, stick around, keep watching my channel is what I mean. Come back. I'll get it out, guys. Of course, John and I are going to do an IG live, Instagram live tomorrow night at 7:30. John and Winnie have sense. Always join us for that. On Saturday, though, this Saturday, girl, yes, Tanya of Bits and Bags and I are going to do she came up with a really good tag video. We're going to do it and then tag everybody else to do it. So that's coming up Saturday evening. Sunday, I'm going to show you how well that Pink Zeo IPL intensive pulse light therapy unit that they gifted me did. It's been 2 months and they're having a sale. And also on Monday, Dawn and I are going to do a Coach reveal, a Coach bag reveal. Hot girl summer, yes. Okay, come through. I said it again. She's so crazy. Who am I? Okay, I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I'll see you back here on Saturday. And remember, girl, if y'all see my husband, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Oh my gosh, guys, what am I thinking? Hello, today is Super Jacob's birthday. If you're watching this on actually Thursday, I think it's his real birthday right now. Anyhow, in honor of Super Jacob, I'm wearing my new Chanel Paris Paris. I love this. If you guys haven't tried it, you can still tell it's that Chanel DNA in there, but girl. Oh yeah, it's got a little rose in there. It's like rose with a zing. She's good. She's so good. So anyway, he claims this is a summer scent. In honor of him, I wore the Paris Paris today. Also, in honor of just me being, look, we put back Tori and decided like, da da da, bring Marc Jacobs back. That sexy beast has got to come back. So anyway, I did want to leave you with something that Bill and I had a deep discussion about yesterday. It was about me buying more bags or whatnot, or luxury items, or just things in general. And I was like, oh, well, I still have this on my list and I want to buy that and like that. And he looked at me dead in the face and he said, wow, aren't we being a little selfish? I said, what? Excuse me, sir, but would someone that's selfish buy you this fabulous Fender guitar Lego set for Father's Day? I think not. I think not. Huh. Selfish. More like self-love, biatch. Huh.